Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Good things just keep pouring in for Ripple and XRP. In the past couple of weeks, we have heard extremely good news for Ripple and XRP, and the price did increase from that around $0.32 mark, which it was just hovering above, and to almost 50 cents right now. But obviously, it's nowhere near where you would like. But that hasn't stopped from good things happening to Ripple and XRP. And today, within the last 24 hours, we had the judge Anilisa Tores give a very favorable verdict for Ripple and obviously XRP. That means a lot of people will be coming into this lawsuit who will be fighting for Ripple, and that is absolutely great. And in today's video, we will definitely be talking about this. Not only that, recently Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, went on TV and he basically kind of gave us an end date for this lawsuit on when they're expecting this lawsuit to end. And also in today's video, we are going to be talking about Charles Hoskinson, who is the founder of Cardano, and his thoughts about XRP and lawsuit, this entire lawsuit. And that is very, very interesting. So a lot of very interesting things to be talking about today. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Let's talk about what Judge Anilisa Tores gave today in the last 24 hours regarding these important two companies. They wanted to come into this lawsuit as amicus curiae, which means friends of the court, and kind of give their unbiased opinion. Well, technically, it's not really unbiased because they are very in favor of Ripple and XRP, and they're kind of going to show to the judge, hey, look, we used XRP as a utility, not just as a speculative investment, which the SEC is trying to do. So basically, Ripple and SEC were fighting over this. SEC was saying that, hey, we do not want to bring these people inside because we can't kind of prove their facts. And Ripple was like, hey, if you can't prove anything, why did you bring this lawsuit in the first place? Well, to all of those things, the judge Anilisa Tores gave its verdict today, and let's read it. The court has reviewed the request by iRemit and Tabjets for leave to file amicus curiae briefs dated September 30th and parties later dated October 4 and October 5th. Accordingly, the requests are granted by October 14th, 2022. iRemit Inc. and Tabjets Inc. shall file their briefs. Amicus are reminded that their briefs must comply with the requirements set forth in the section, basically saying that, hey, to Tabjets and iRemit, these two companies, they wanted to kind of appear on behalf, not appear on behalf, but more of like kind of show to the judge, hey, Ripple, what Ripple is doing, they're kind of the good guys here. And the judge is saying that, okay, I will listen to what you guys have to say. So this is absolutely great news for this. But again, I have to remind you that even though this might be a small victory, these things play a major part for later on when the judge is finally going to be deciding, is going to be giving the verdict on who wins this lawsuit. Now, this means that more people are planning to come into this lawsuit, as we have Eleanor Torre, who puts it, Judge Torres has now approved 3 parties to join the SEC versus a Ripple lawsuit. The judicial chamber remains neutral but stresses the importance of the 2-court decision for the industry. 2 are pro Ripple XRP, and I'm told at least 3 more Ripple XRP advocates will file soon. Seeing this 2 companies get admitted into this lawsuit, it seems that more people want to join this. And keep this in mind that everybody who wants to join in this lawsuit, they are almost all in favor of Ripple and XRP, because believe it or not, almost everybody in the crypto world wants a Ripple to win, because it does not only help XRP. Obviously, if Ripple wins, the price of XRP truly skyrockets, but it kind of benefits the entire crypto industry, because it kind of goes to show to the SEC that, hey, you can't just go after any crypto out there. And next, we have Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, who recently went on DC FinTech Week and basically kind of gave like an end timeline for this Ripple lawsuit. He puts it, I think we'll have an answer in the first half of next year. Garlinghouse said during an event for DC FinTech Week, whether there's the first quarter or the second quarter, we shall see. Now, even though I have talked multiple times on my channel on when we can expect this lawsuit to end, and almost everything is going to be concluded by the end of this year, somewhere around December, mid-December of this year, but the judge is going to take its time to give a verdict. That is why we are expecting it to go all the way into 2023. And also, attorneys within the Ripple and XRP community, they have been saying that we can expect a final verdict in this ongoing Ripple lawsuit somewhere around before the end of March 2023. And next we also have Garlinghouse. In the same event, he puts it, Ripple would consider a settlement with the SEC if the regulator states that XRP is not a security. Garlinghouse said on Tuesday, the case is about the whole industry. Everyone acknowledges how important that is. And I've talked multiple times in my many videos on basically saying that, hey, Ripple was planning to settle with the SEC, and in fact some rumors were out there that SEC was also planning to settle with Ripple, but due to some unforeseen circumstances that could not happen. And obviously Ripple's main criteria for settlement is to say that, hey, XRP is not a security, and so far it seems SEC is not doing that. That is why we have gone all the way through. But overall, now, even though it might seem that we are still many months away from this, but keep this in mind that the lawsuit was started in December of 2020, so we have come quite a long way since then. Next we have Charles Hoskinson, who is the co-founder of Cardano. He went on Twitter and basically put a 15-minute tirade out there on XRP. Now, if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and watch that video. It is around 15-20 minutes long, but the gist of that video was basically saying that how within the entire crypto community, especially within the Ripple and XRP community, people are saying that, hey, the entire SEC is corrupt. They're specifically going against XRP, and he kind of says that, hey, look, they are going against XRP, but they have also gone against multiple cryptos out there. They're not singling out XRP, and there is no conspiracy theories going on, and the SEC, not everything is not really corrupt in the SEC. And basically he also talked about some of the things which I have talked about in some of my videos, and I would not name other YouTubers who basically talk about how XRP wants to become this absolutely crazy, everything is going to just be, everybody's just going to be using XRP. Now, although I do agree some parts with Charles Hoskinson, especially related to how a lot of people within the Ripple, especially Ripple and XRP community, they just believe that Ripple and XRP is taking over the entire world, and I have seen videos like that on YouTube. So I do agree on those statements, but the parts which I don't really agree is related to these corruption within the SEC. In fact, we have seen by so many lawyers out there and who have kind of proven that, hey, there has been some conflict of interest within the SEC, which he kind of brushes it away. So overall, I mean, it was a tirade on XRP. I mean, he is kind of on a competing terms with XRP, so he has his right to say a lot of these things against XRP. But I personally think that there was a lot of kind of hate garnered towards him on Twitter, but I don't think so. I mean, he has his own opinion, and he's absolutely has every right to talk about XRP in what way it seems. But at the end of the day, from what we have seen related to this lawsuit, there have been a lot of conflicts of interest, especially related to former director William Hinman, who it seems did play a major part in bringing this lawsuit onto Ripple, and obviously with XRP, and then at the same time went ahead and worked in companies that really promoted Ethereum. What's that all about? Well, if you guys are interested in those kind of details, I have made an entire video on that. I'll be linking that video in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. Well guys, that was the video for today. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like. And if you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comment section below, because I do love reading all your comments. And as always, thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.